Naval Support Activity Panama City, or NSAPC, is a key Navy base located in Florida. It's not a ship, but a shore installation, meaning a land-based facility. Imagine a city dedicated to supporting naval operations and research. It was originally founded in 1945 as a mine countermeasures station. Think of mines in the water and the Navy's job to neutralize them. Over the years, its name changed to reflect its evolving mission. Today, it houses several important tenant commands, each with its own specialty. The Naval Surface Warfare Center Panama City Division, or NSWC-PCD, is the largest. This is the base's research and development hub, pushing the boundaries of naval technology. The Center for Explosive Ordnance Disposal and Diving, or CENIODID, trains bomb disposal experts. These are the brave men and women who disarm explosives in dangerous situations. The Navy Experimental Diving Unit, or NEDU, tests new diving equipment and techniques. They evaluate everything from diving suits to underwater breathing apparatuses. The Navy Diving Salvage and Training Center trains divers from all branches of the military. These divers learn how to recover wreckage and perform underwater repairs. NSAPC also has a heliport for naval helicopters like the MH-53E Sea Dragon. That helicopter is used for heavy lifting and mine countermeasures. NSWC-PCD focuses on littoral warfare, which means fighting close to shore. They research optics, acoustics, mine warfare, and robotics for these environments. The base is home to the Littoral Warfare Research Facility, a $10 million lab. It is dedicated to understanding and dominating the challenges of coastal combat. Past projects include the Swimmer Delivery Vehicle, used by Navy SEALs. Another is the Landing Craft Air Cushioned, or LCAC, a hovercraft for landing troops and equipment. Naval Support Activity Panama City plays a vital role in national security through its research, training, and support of naval operations.